little tip. I'm really sick and tired of doing laundry, okay? So I just cut 3 holes into this bag, tucked it into my shirt. I'm gonna go downstairs, get the, I'll throw a robe over myself, of course. Go downstairs, get the mail, come back up, and also like structured shoulders, ladies. Anyways, to everybody out there, I hope you're being safe, but also be patient. This too shall pass, and you know, be resourceful. And if you've got kids, I'm sorry, I don't. But the kids, I'm sure are great. Just like my little kittens are great. Okay. Be well, be safe. Bye.